Hi there everyone, this is Janson back with another video on what's on my radar. In this particular video, I'm going to showcase in a different way because I wanted to show what we have predicted on Bank Nifty and HDFC like 1 or 2 weeks back and how the market has reacted. Okay, so basically prediction was exact and the movement also was according to how we have planned. So have a look at the previous video and then we'll see what's there more for us to take advantage on. Then the pattern completion is over here. Okay, so again a little bit of in a confused state, so we need to wait and watch on this one. How I trade is only when I get in a perfect confirmation, then only I'll be getting involved in the trade. Until then, I stay away from the market. So that's what I'm looking at. Plus, again, we can see the same divergence over here. So the market is going up in a slow manner and the indicator is showing something else. Okay, so there are chances that it can go down from here. We do not have any breakout. We need a good breakout out of this structure. Okay, once we have a breakout, then probably we can target we can take it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that part, which I have taken like I think 2 weeks back or a week back, I don't remember. But anyways, let's look at what we have in the future now. So the market right now is at the structure. Okay, it's not a great breakout for me yet. Okay, there is no swing which is breaking. There are chances that market can fall down from here, but maybe after a brief pullback. So you can expect some kind of a pullback from here and then start moving down. Okay, and till where it can go, if you look left, we have this minor structure over here. So this is something which I'm looking at. Okay, so around 25,200. So that's what I'm looking for the Bank Nifty, and we can draw some Fibonacci as well just to check whether that is a good level of structure. So we have this 50 over there, which is in no man's land, and we have the 61.8, which is testing these structures over there. Let's take out with a bigger Fibonacci move as well. Yep. So that structure does make sense now. So what we are going to do is let's have a, instead of looking at 618 as a target, my always target portion will be on the structures. Okay, that is the basic foundation when it comes to trading. So if I am expecting the market to go down, my first expectation is that the market can test to this level. How it tests, I have no clue. Maybe it can just fall down from here, or maybe it can go back, retest the structure and then come down again. All right, so this is what I am seeing on what the opportunity we might have in the future. Okay, let's look at HDFC now. Now, in order for us to confirm for this, if we get a break and close below the structure, now that will be a very good trading opportunity on this one. There is nothing wrong if you guys are involved in this. I do not see anything wrong, but if you haven't got involved, it is just doing a retesting of the structure here. You'll never know, maybe it can do another pullback, making it a complex pullback, and might give you a better and better opportunity to enter. But if we last time when we made this video, the market was somewhere over here, and I did say that if we have a break and close below this structure, then it is a good shorting opportunity. If not, there are chances that the market can go up till here. Now, how did I predict that the market can go up here? Market can go up here and then do a fall from there. So basically there was a complex pullback over here. So this is the pattern which I'm seeing. Next to A, it to B, B to C, and CD completion. Okay, as soon as the pattern gets completed, the market fell down from there. Now, it's not necessary that every time this pattern works, but this is one of the pattern which I always use it for my analysis and as well as for my trading patterns. And it has the market right now, it is playing at the structure. Okay, there are chances that it can go in a consolidation now, probably in an unstructured way, and then maybe it can fall down from here. Now, if it is breaking the structure, till where it will go, I'm expecting the market to go and test the 1254 level. Now, let's see whether this makes sense. So let's pull in some Fibonacci. Yeah, you have 786, which is lining up with the structure. Let's look at one more Fibonacci over here. And we have the 50%, which is very nearby to the 786. So that is a good confluence. So this is something which I'm looking out to take out my profit. If at all we have a break and close below the structure which I have drawn over here. If we don't, then we will be playing around in this structure, in this consolidation. Okay, and if at all, if the market breaks this high, okay, that is the highest high, then we need to look at for the next long opportunity. But my best guess is it can fall down even more further because it was such a huge move. There is no relief over here, so there are chances that the market can do a relief and then probably go back up. So that's what I'm seeing at HDFC. All right, we are on the 4-hour time frame of Apple. So Apple, with we have this market breaking this structure over here. Okay, and it's a classic breakout and a pullback. If you see what the market has been doing right now. Okay, and the lows were getting higher and higher. All right, so until we get a break and close below this low, we are good. Okay, so I'm expecting the market can go even more further. Let's see whether we have this pattern over here. Let's see that. Let me draw one Fibonacci and see. So yeah, it is very near to the 786. So let's see whether we have one-to-one measured move. So let's clone that, and then it may not be equal, but yeah, it's almost tested. So probably that is the reason it is doing this retracement. But until this low is broken, then what I'm saying is there might be a pattern over here. Not might be, there is a pattern over here. And let's draw another Fibonacci inversion as well. Just looking at where the market can go up to. So we have 127 lining up at 786, and also the extension, if we take, let's see, yeah, so you see 127, both the extension and the inversion 127 and the retracement 786 all lining up at the same price. So maybe the market can do a push up even more, and then it might do a deep retracement from here. So we need to wait and watch for this. We don't have any kind of confirmation. The only confirmation what you might get is let's say if the market is not breaking this low, and if we get any reversal confirmation over here going for a long opportunity, you can go ahead and take out a position on this one, a long position, okay, and target 127. Now that's a $4 move, I believe. No, $6 move it will be. So that's good if you're playing in the futures and options, I believe. So that's what I'm seeing in Apple. USDCAD. Now again, this was a predicted move, I guess last week or last to last week. I guess it is last week. So have a look at what I was saying at that time. Go for a shorting opportunity, and that's the same thing which is doing it over here. A perfect structured consolidation, and then we have a breakout and then a pullback, and we have 3 indecision candles, saying that there are chances that it can continue its trend from here. Okay, but since again, just like the previous chart, the GBPUSD, just like if you go to the higher time frame, it looks like it's a huge fall. So wouldn't be surprised if this also does a bigger pullback from here. Okay, but you cannot miss this. So you see, the market did exactly how we have predicted. However, not exactly, the market played around a bit over here, and then it pushed up. Now, why I was able to tell that it was able to push up, because we were seeing some loss of momentum over here. It was on a sharp fall, and then market was in a choppy. It wasn't having that same strength to go down. So that is the reason I said that there are chances that it could go up and test this level. Okay, now I have a short over here, and my initial target is over here. It is very near to it. I'm not sure whether it will take it or not. It is 1.28322. I need to wait and watch. So anyways, doesn't matter. Let's say that it is the reason why I shorted from there is there is a good level of structure over here. Okay, and also this is, I guess, 50%. Yeah, we have 50% which is getting rejected over here, and on 60 minutes time frame I got this lower low lower close confirmation as well. So that was my confirmation for the market to enter for a short. Now what I'm looking at is I'm just trying to go for a pullback. I'm expecting that the market might reverse from here. Now I'm not sure whether it will take my structure and then reverse from there, or whether it will reverse right now itself. I have no clue about that. But if at all it is reversing, there are chances that market can go and test this 1.31164 level. So one question which I always get is like, if people ask me like, if you know that if the market can go up to this level and you're planning to short from there, why don't we just try to go on a long opportunity if we have a confirmation or something like that until that particular point? So the answer for that is yes, you can definitely do that on an intraday basis. I am right now on the 240 minutes, that is the 4 hours. If you go in the lower time frame, you definitely will be able to take advantage on this. The reason why I'm not saying in the lower time frame concept is by the time I create this video and then I edit it and render this video, by doing all those things, most probably the market would have already done its move. Okay, so no point doing a intraday analysis in these videos. Maybe I'll think about it, but no point doing in this particular video. Like I said, by the time I finish all this work, the move would have already done. All right, so that is one thing which I wanted to clarify. Okay, now, is this a reversal of a trend? No, because we are still on a bearish trend, a strong bearish trend. If we want a reversal of a trend, then we need to think about this swing high. Okay, now if you want to know what a reversal of a trend is, I can put one a video on top of over here. You can have a look at it, and then you will understand how I identify a reversal of a trend. Okay, that is the 3-point move. In that video, you have all specific rules to identify a trend reversal. So please do have a look at it. It's one powerful thing which I always use to identify a bullish rotation or a bearish rotation for that matter. So yeah, that's about USDCAD. Now let's have a look at gold. Now gold is in an interesting level. Now we are right at the level of structure over here, very strong level of structure. It has crossed that. Basically it has broken and closed above this swing high. Okay, let me draw one line. Yeah, the market has closed and broken above that, and now we did a pullback. Not we, the gold did a pullback. So basically market went up, did a pullback, again it did an impulse move, and then did a pullback. So this is where I'm looking at for the major structure. If gold is going below this green line, then most probably there will be different opportunities for that, but it will be in the later stage. Probably I'm seeing some other patterns, but if it goes up, there are chances that it can go up to a bigger pattern. Now let's see. So yeah, there are chances that the market can go and test the 1942 level. Let me see other Fibonacci levels for that. Let's see. So yeah, we have 1618 lining up at 886, and then do we have an inversion as well? I'm just looking again for, no, we do not have any inversion on this. So yeah, so this is a good level of structure for you to go short. Okay, if you have any reversal confirmation, now this is a very weird wick. Okay, market has been consolidating over here. Let me remove all these arrows. Let me remove all, yeah. So this was the level of consolidation. You can see quite a lot of spike, and then there is one candle which has gone all the way up but couldn't close over there. Okay, it rejected from there. Now this is a very good rejection, but not a good confirmation for me to enter for a long. So I would wait for this high to break for me to enter, because otherwise it might be just doing some choppy movements over here, and I do not like that unless I find some kind of pattern on this one. If we have a break and close above this one, then you can definitely go ahead and look for a shorting opportunity around 948, 950s like that. Let's see. Let's draw the pattern. Let's do A to B, B to C, and CD completion. Yeah, around 1945, 1944. In that price range, you might be able to get a good shorting opportunity. If you're going long, my suggestion would be to go long after this high is broken, or else if you know how to do pattern trading, then probably you might get quite a lot of opportunities over in between this range, that is 1907 and 1882. In this range you might get some good Fibonacci pattern formation. So that will be probably in the 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Definitely go ahead and try that out if you know how to handle the patterns, by the way. All right, so that's about gold for now, and yeah, that's it. This is a very short video. I won't be trading much for this week because it's a holiday season for most of the traders out there, and I'm also in the holiday mode. It's Christmas, and usually during this time the market goes in a sideways. Okay, usually it doesn't have much of volatility. However, this whole year was a weird one, and right now market is also doing the same thing. A huge movement. You can see, or you can already see GBP having some gaps over here. So let's take out GBPUSD as well. So you can see a good gap. Now this gap could be because of the COVID surge in UK. Now I guess it is that one. I'm not sure. I didn't read anything to confirm it. So again, it did a gap down, but it took the structure support over here. You see? So this is, I've seen one thing, that whenever anybody sees after a gap down, when they see a strong bullish candle, they go for a long opportunity. This is a very bad idea to go for a long opportunity. Now let's say that instead of this one, instead of just one candlestick pattern, if you could get some kind of a double bottom, and then you will be able to enter for a good trading opportunity. Most of the time the market covers its gap, especially when it comes to forex market. Okay, here if you see, there was a gap over here, there was a gap up. However, market went all the way up, but it did close that gap. So there are chances that it can go up and close this gap as well. Not all the time, but I've seen in the currency market that 80 to 90% of the time the gap gets covered. So I'm also hoping this gap to get covered so that I can take advantage, but not just because of one candlestick pattern. Either it has to give me some pattern signals for me to enter. This is no way any a signal for a buy. This particular candle, this bullish candle, no way for a bullish entry. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. It's a holiday season, so have a good one and a safe one. Try not to go out too much. You'll never know what's happening out there. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.